Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com and we are looking at the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Now this is a 4-hour chart, as you can see, and what you are seeing in front of your eyes on this structure here is a beautiful contracting triangle. Now this one may be interpreted in different ways, in many ways. It may be considered as being a contracting triangle to start from this moment of time and to go like this: A, B, C, D, E, contracting triangle, done, and then price to go to the upside. Or it may, in this case, it would be called as a continuation pattern. In the other scenario, the scenario that I'm looking, let's say I'm saying it is more probable, would be that this triangle would act as a reversal pattern, and it starts from this level here, actually from these lows here, and this to be labeled as A, B, C, D, and now we are looking for the E wave to come, and this E wave ideally should be shorted. Now it remains to be seen what kind of a retracement level we will have for the E wave. Ideally, it will go and retrace more than the beginning of this move here, because this should be labeled as an X wave of a bigger degree. And the whole pattern that you're seeing here, this whole pattern, let me make it red like this, and the whole pattern here to be called a double combination for the move. So I would say that this would be wave A of the triangle, and then of course you're looking for the B wave to come to the upside. This B wave comes in the form of an elongated flat. That means A, B, C to the upside, and then you have to the downside here the C wave. So A, B, C, D, E, that would be the reasoning for a continuation pattern. For a reversal pattern, we are saying wave A is to the upside, the B wave to the downside, so A, B, C, and the D wave to be done here, A, B, C, D. And now we are looking for an E wave that should, of course, move to the upside now. A, B, C, D, E. That would be our X wave. And the previous move here, as you can see, it has two problems for it to be considered an impulsive move. It is channeling too well, and corrections of a lower degree are almost the same. See here? This is channeling too well, and therefore it should be labeled still as a corrective wave. Well, if this is a corrective wave, then we're looking for something still like an ABC, X, and then another ABC. And with this X here, we are looking for this contracting triangle and the contracting triangle to travel between the A and D, and A and C, and B and D trend line. So A, B, C, D, like this. Let's make it of a different color. Like this. And then I would like to buy put options by the time price is breaking this B to D trend line. So this would be the level I would like to buy put options. Remember, on Friday we're going to have the unemployment rate and the non-farm payrolls in the United States, together with the jobs data out of Canada, and that would make the pair to travel the most. So the eyes are going to, or the validation or invalidation level, are going to stay with this line here, the B to D trend line. On a break here, I would like to basically to look to the downside to buy put options with expiration date being end of week expiration date, and the target to the downside should be around 104 area, because if this is a continuation, if this is a corrective move and that started here, most likely price will tend to revisit the original place. So contracting triangle to the upside, bullish situation it looks like now, but the market may turn to break the B2D trend line. So when this is happening, I would like to buy put options with 1 week expiration date. So buying put options with 1 week expiration date by the time the B2D trend line is broken. Now why 1 week expiration date? Because usually after the break it is being retested, and we want to avoid the situation into being trapped in a position we don't want to. So wait for it to be broken and then engage into the short side. And when you trade binary options and you want to short something, basically you are buying put options. Why? Because at the expiration date you're looking for price to be lower than the striking price, meaning the price you are buying the option for. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all our analyses are possible due to the sponsor Lion Hive.